Welcome to this 5-minute morning meditation. This is your time to refresh, reset, and step into the day with clarity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you'd like, and let's begin in 5 seconds. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. Now return to your natural breath. Feel the coolness as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. Breathe in positive energy and breathe out negative thoughts. With each breath, imagine positive energy coming into your body, cleansing away yesterday and making space for today. Keep breathing. Today is a new day with new possibilities coming your way. Now, let's move into a few affirmations for your morning. These are gentle, realistic thoughts you can carry into your day. You can repeat them quietly in your mind or simply just listen. I can begin this day with calm and clarity. Each breath brings me calm. Each breath renews my energy. I choose small actions today that support my well-being. Progress matters more than perfection. I allow myself to feel what I feel, and I can still move forward. This morning is a fresh start, and I welcome it with energy. Every moment is a chance to reset and refocus. Now take 3 final breaths. Each breath helps you release tension. Imagine a soft morning light flowing through you, awakening, energizing, refreshing you for the day ahead. You are steady. You are calm. You are ready. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to this space. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take this calm, focused energy with you into the day ahead. Thank yourself for taking these few minutes for presence. Have a beautiful, peaceful day.